Welcome to Instagram Marketing Mastery. And if you want to grow your Instagram followers to the thousands, up to 20,000 or more, create a professional client converting Instagram feed, or learn how to convert your followers into potential business opportunities, and also very important, how to automate your Instagram feed for your success so you can attract followers in your sleep, then this is a step-by-step guide to 20,000 real and hyper-targeted, and when I say hyper-targeted, it is very targeted, followers, fast, easy, and automated. And here is a quick review on what you will learn on this course. So first of all, you will learn how to start from the beginning, even if you don't have any account right now, up to 20,000 followers or more. You will learn the optimization of your account for the dynamic presence. Dynamic means like a strong presence. Third one, you will learn how to build your brand as business or as a person. Fourth, you will learn how to grow your account with a very targeted audience, and we tell you exactly how to do it. Fifth, you will learn how to grow 50 to 150 followers per day, and that's real, I have done it myself. Sixth, basically you will learn an automated function for direct messages, likes and comments, so that you don't have to do everything manually on Instagram and you don't have to be the whole day on Instagram. Seventh, you will have the full automation of your account activities and you will know how to do it. Eighth, you will learn how to become famous or an influencer in Instagram, even if you are an artist, even if you want to go to a celebrity status in a specific space, we will help you with this. You will know how to do it with this training. Ninth, you will learn how to convert visitors to paying customers. Very important, otherwise you don't have money. 10th, you will learn a unique and dynamic marketing strategy or strategies for you and for your business. 11th, for any unsatisfied customers, we give you money back guaranteed and you will have it and it's valid. Also, very important, you will have a lifetime access to this course, so you have it now and then you have it forever. And 13th, by completing this course, you will get a certificate of completion, which is very pretty and very cool. And that's it for the whole information on this course, on this video, and I will see you inside the course. And welcome to Instagram Marketing Mastery of 2019. Alright, so welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to speak about how to study this course and how to study the lessons so that you really understand them and you know how to apply it and be successful with this information. Okay, good. So first of all, the site is called Udemy. This is the overview of the site, or our site basically, or our course. It gives you here the recent questions, the recent instructor announcement.